Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we discuss about Active Processes tab. The Active Processes tab, this tab shows only processes that are actively taking the system CPU resources. As you can see in here in the CPU column, most of these processes, they are using some of the resources from the CPU of the computer. This tab shows some basic information about these processes, and it also shows a horizontal bar graph to visually depict their active CPU utilization. We can also manipulate the headers that are being shown in the Active Processes tab by right-clicking here on the Active Processes tab, and then you can see that we have a list of headers, and then we can add or remove some of these headers. For example, I want to add the CPU groups, and now you can see that we have the CPU groups added to our list. We can also resize any column that we want to, or we can move it from one space to another, from one location to another. Also, you need to remember that these configurations or these changes that we make to Process Lasso, they are being saved in the configuration file, and even if we close Process Lasso or restart our computer and come back, these settings and these changes that we made to the header, they are going to be saved permanently. Here in the Active Processes tab, for example, I want to select Camtasia Recorder, and then I double click on this process. When I double click on this process, then I am brought to this All Processes tab, where I have more information about this process available to me. And basically, I'm headed and I'm redirected to the All Process tab from Active Processes tab. Let's do that once again for Explorer and double click it. Now we are here in the All Processes tab. Let's go back to Active Processes tab, and as you can see, if I right click here on one of these processes, we have this context menu, just the same as the All Processes tab, that we have this same context menu. And using this context menu, we can bring some changes and manipulate the process. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.